Woo! Don't touch my clothes. Don't do that. Don't do that, my love. You're the only one. All right. I think this pan is ready. This pan is ready. Woo. I said when the pan is full, right? Well, the pan is full now. So I'm not gonna add any more to it. I'm just gonna fry these for anybody who just wants plain chicken. No sauce. That's all I'm frying these for now, right now. All right, here we go, guys. How does it look? Add some teriyaki sauce. I do like the taste of teriyaki, so I'm gonna add just a little dash of it because I do like the taste of it. Just a little kick I want from it. So don't judge me now. This is my little blend, okay? This is my blend. This is the land of my birth. This is the land of my birth. This is Jamaica, Jamaica. It is the land of my birth. Then guys, I'm gonna have to fry plantains. Yes. I have to make the whole meal, okay? Not because I'm not eating. I still gotta make the whole meal. Because I gotta feed them. I gotta feed them, okay? I still gotta feed them. So, Gabby eat the chicken down to the bone, bro. I know it's not that good. Give me a drink, darling. To hear my heart screaming. Do you understand? Do you feel this pain? Am I only dreaming? So here's this burning hand. All right. So you guys are seeing the chicken? Okie dokie. Thank you for those likes. I really appreciate it. As I said, I'm going to make some of them with some chili sweet sauce on it and some with the barbecue. I'll probably add a piece more up here. Just to make sure. Left no space unturned. Because guys, these kids are like, oh, we already ate and I'm full. And then they come and create one only for nice after you're done cook. So we can't bother. Alright, come now. Let's do this. Let's go. Oh my God, it looks so good already. When I'm done, I sprinkle some parsley on top. And I'll take you right in, okay? Okie dokie. Looks so delicious, guys. Oh my goodness. Woo. Oh my God. I'm telling you. Alright, let me see if I can straighten up a little bit more and add a piece more chicken in here. That one little piece I had here. Because this looks too good to not make. No? I want to hear people say, I want to take it to me. I want to take it to tomorrow. I want this. I want that. Because everybody loves barbecue chicken, don't you? I do. It looks good. How does it look, guys? Let me know. Let me know how it looks to you. Or if I'm just over-hyping it up here. Like, girl, your chicken don't look good. You're just doing too much. Let me know. Take me down a notch, okay? Alright, so I packed it